Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing a look inspired by Taylor Swift's new album, The Tortured Poets Department, and her new music video, Fortnight. To start this look, I'm going to block out my eyebrows. It actually looks like she didn't do that for the music video, but I went ahead and did it myself. To block out the brows, I'm using an Elmer's glue stick. And then I'm covering that with full coverage concealer. And here I'm going all over the area with translucent powder. Then with black eyeliner, I'm sketching out the eyebrows. I tried to keep them pretty close to what they look like in this era without making them quite as straight as Taylor Swift's were. I tried several times to do a shape like that and it really didn't suit my face, so I went more with my natural shape but much thinner. And once I have the shape I want, I go back in with some concealer and kind of just go around the outside of the eyebrows to make them look nice and sharp. For the eyeshadow, I'm starting with the About Face Black Liquid Eyeshadow and putting this all over the lid and blending outwards. Her eyeshadow kind of had a winged shape on the outer edges. Then for a more grungy type look, I'm going over this with some black eyeshadow and just kind of going around the outside, blending it out further. Then with black eyeshadow, I'm going underneath the eye as well, and then lining my waterline with black eyeliner. Because the music video is in black and white, we can't really tell what color her lipstick is, but I believe she'd probably go with her classic red. So I'm going in with a red liquid lipstick and trying to create a sort of rounded look to the Cupid's bow, trying to make it look as close as possible to hers. Then I added some pink blush to the high points of my cheekbones. And I finished this look by adding some false lashes. And this completes my recreation of Taylor Swift's Fortnite music video makeup look. This could also be used if you were doing a 1920s style look for Halloween. I think it came out looking a bit gothic on me because I have dark hair and dark eyebrows. Kind of reminiscent of Bride of Chucky if you ask me, but I think it was a pretty look overall. Definitely an intense look with the very thin eyebrows, dark eyes, and red lips. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.